If YouTube is not recommending your video, there are some things you need to do or you need to check in place before uploading your video for YouTube to recommend your video. Yes, either you are doing it in the wrong way or you are doing the right thing in the wrong way. On this video, I'm going to be telling you things to do to make YouTube recommend your videos. Yes, before you upload your videos, there are some certain things you need to check before uploading your videos. Firstly, always rewatch your video before uploading. Yes, some of us don't watch our video before uploading. We think that, okay, we are done editing, everything is perfect. No. If you can't watch your video and you didn't enjoy watching your video, how will YouTube push that video? How will they recommend that video? Or how will the viewers watch that video if you cannot enjoy your video? I remember a day I posted a video. I wanted to rewatch, but I don't know, something came to my mind. I was like, okay, everything is perfectly fine, let me just upload this video because I was in the ace. So I finally upload this video, and later on I was like, okay, let me just go and check how this video is doing. So I just opened the video to watch. That was when I saw a lot of editing errors. I have to delete that video with so much pain and start all over again. So please, before you upload your video, you have to check, rewatch it, correct everything you know you need to correct, because once that video has been uploaded, there is nothing you can do concerning the editing again. Secondly, reply to all pending message. Yes, reply to all pending message, because YouTube takes note of engagement. YouTube take note of your likes, your dislike, and your comments. Reply to comments, because once someone drop a comment and you reply that comment, YouTube is going to send notification to them that you've replied them, and they will, like, even if they've forgotten that they reply on they comment on your video, YouTube will notify them, and they'll have to come back again to check your reply to them. And with that, they'll be happy. Most of them will be happy, and we want to watch more of your videos. So because me too, whenever I comment on other creators' videos, I might even forgotten that I comment, but once the creator reply me, I will be happy to go back to check and rewatch those videos. We have to take engagement very serious, because the more the likes, the more the video we get to more people, the more YouTube is going to recommend your videos. Thirdly, create description. Always create description, no matter how tired you are. We know description can be kind of difficult at times, because even me, most at times it's very difficult for me to write description. But if we don't write description, how will YouTube know our keywords about our videos? Description is very important. Because a certain things, YouTube is going to recommend your video. Or maybe before a viewer we want to watch your video, they'll want to go to description to know what the video is all about before they will go ahead to watch your video. If description is very difficult for you to create, you can go to Meta for AI on WhatsApp and put short description of your video title, and it will pop out. You can just re-edit it and put your description. With your description, it will help YouTube to recommend your videos more. Fourthly, add end screen. Yes, end screen is very important. Your phone to upload your video, you won't see end screen. You have to go all over to do that setting. But once you are using laptop, you will see end screen, and you have to put your end screen so that after a viewer finish watching your video, more videos will pop up, and it might even increase your views, and YouTube will recommend more of your videos. End screen is very important, because the more the viewers watch your video, YouTube recommend more of your video to them. Another thing is create a catchy thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important. Yes, because once your thumbnail is very catchy, it will make them to click, to want to watch that video, to want to know what that video is all about. I'm not saying that you should go and create thumbnail that looks very beautiful, decorative. No, let it not be too much. Let's just go straight to the point. Create that thumbnail. The picture in front of your thumbnails is very important, so you have to take it very serious. Yes, you have to take it very serious. What are thumbnails? Thumbnails are those pictures that are in front of your videos before uploading them. Once they see your video, the thumbnail comes first before your video. Thumbnail will make them want to know if they should click this video or not. Write a captivating title. Let your title be captivating. Let it draw the attention of audience. Let them want to know what this video is all about. Let them know what they want to watch. So your title has to be very, very captivating. So once you apply all these tips on your video, YouTube is going to help you recommend your video and also suggest your video. If you find this video very, very helpful to you, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you on our next video.